What is going on, guys? Sean here with another straight razor shaving video. And in today's video, as you guys saw, what makes this rock so special, we're gonna find out. This is a natural stone, and I sharpened this razor, rocket razor, with that natural stone, and now we're gonna see if it shaves well. This is a Invicta stone. It is a novaculite. It's a Canada stone from Royal Flint Abrasives. This was sent to me by my friend, the Cajun Blade, Eric. Go check him out. And yeah, I have some growth here, enough growth for it to start feeling a little bit itchy. I did my hot towel and I'll put a little bit of water here. I have some normal bar soap here. And I want to check if this can act as a pre-shave. This is sandalwood scented. And take a little bit of water. It feels slick enough. I don't want to have too much though. Yeah, my skin feels slick. It is ready to have a shaving soap on it. And today I am using Hags Dark Side. This is a chocolatey scent, rum, I think it has. What else? Coffee, rum, and then middle notes, caramel, sugarcane. The base is almond and sandalwood. That's why I also had that sandalwood bar soap. I am using Hendrix & Classics, the Jack brush. Man, this smells amazing. Let's go right in. I really enjoy this this shaving brush from Pete Hendrix. The knot is absolutely amazing. What do you guys think of the lather? Does that look good? I hope you guys are doing well. I just got done seeing a video from Joe from Subtle Art Soap Company. Yeah, that looks good to me. Yeah. That looks good to me. We're just shaving, so. And by the way, guys, I also have a conical edge that I'm testing out. That's the one, yeah. Forgot the razor. Anyways, we're gonna start off with the Invicta. We already tried the Nakota. Let's see if I'm in frame. Right off the bat, I think I like this one better than the Nakota Black, the Invicta. Yeah. Yes, I do. All right, here we have the conical edge. Just, this one really doesn't matter. I didn't show the honing on it. I didn't show the honing on the Invicta either. I just wanted to try it out. Man, no problem here in the mustache area. I'm playing with my settings here on the phone. I hope the quality is all right. Just getting those hairs out the way pretty quick. And that bar soap did it, man. And this razor is really keen. I'm impressed with these Royal Flint Abrasive stones. Like I said, I think Eric liked the Nakota better. I think I like the Invicta better. Yeah, and that's just an awesome stone. I think I'm gonna get myself one of those Invictas. I've just been out of the shaving world for a while this week. Just had a lot to do here around the house. I'm a little bit more quiet here today. Sorry, guys. By the way, I saw Long Haul Tankers video, Leon. I'm glad he put up a video. By the way, this was recorded the 17th of October, so I don't know when I'll post this, but just glad to see he's okay and reaching out to us. I wish him nothing but the best. And I hope you guys can go out and tell him that yourself. He's a good guy. All right. Here we go. Against the grain. Invicta. And some people say here against the grain is when you really know if you did a good job on your razor. I don't know, you guys tell me. It's taking hair off my face. It's not uncomfortable. So, is that a good edge? Depends on the person. What grade is this stone? Is it 12K, 10K, 8K? I don't know what it is. It's a natural stone. I just know it's a shaven. I like that. Let's take a moment here so I can clean my hands. It was a little wet there. Yeah, no problem against the grain here with the Invicta stone. Definitely a finishing stone. Oh yeah. Slowly but surely getting more comfortable with this razor right here. I've shown it before. Tip, or the toe, is a little bit bigger than the heel, and that's where I got this little nasty cut right here. So I wasn't ready and I was doing like a sweeping stroke and it just like went right in. Shit happens. What else is new with you guys? I know Eric is back home from his job. Excited to see what new content he makes. My good friend Robert, not No Name Bear, this is another Robert. He's big into straight razor shaving. I think he has some beautiful razors. He has a Philly and a Boker. He's playing around with some TIs. Anyways, the thing is, he's thinking about joining us and being part of this community, and I want him to join. He's already sent me some videos of himself shaving. I think the last one was his 14th straight razor shave, and that dude, he looks like he's already in his 15th shave, so kudos to Robert. Sean G, my other half, the other Sean, Gangster Sean. He did a honing video with his Japanese natural. And man, I really like the way he hones. He hones pretty similar to me, meaning that he does like a lot of X strokes. I didn't see him do half strokes or circles, so similar to how I do it. On the cuticle, I rinse a little bit more often when I'm finishing, but really similar to myself, so I was happy to hear him and on his process while he's honing. Wow. I like this stone here. Gonna dry off the razor again. This one might be a little bit longer than usual. Greg hasn't put up a video lately. As of today, it might be I just say this in this video and then he posts like 3 videos. As of today, I haven't seen a video. I've missed him. A little bit here, touch up on the neck, and we're good to go. I'll do that with the cuticle edge. Fuck, man. Hard to beat, man. use the same dark side aftershave, but before that, I'm gonna witch's hazel. Witch hazel. But come on, guys, witch's hazel. I'm trying to start a movement here. Okay. Now the Hags Dark Side Aftershave Splash. I don't know if this one has alcohol. I don't think it does because it doesn't sting. But it smells really good. Thank you, Michael. He gifted me this a long time ago. Thank you very much. That was really nice of you. All right, that's it for the video. Sorry it was a long one. I hope I was talkative enough. I don't feel talkative today. But yeah, I just had to shave and I thought I wanted to see you guys. So yeah, I'll always read and reply to all your comments, so make sure you leave them in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Before I go and leave you guys, do check out Invicta by Royal Flint Abrasives. I think they have a really good stone. Check out Eric's video on it. He does a honing video on it, much better than it goes into more detail than I go here. I'm just shaving. I'm not paid by Royal Flint Abrasive or anything. I just thought it was a cool stone. Eric sent it to me. I think he's gonna do a pass around stones. If he wants to sell me this stone, I'll buy it. Anyways, see you guys in the next one. Peace.